Your yard is one weekend away from looking completely unrecognizable. Not because you spent a fortune, not because you hired anyone, but because you started using ideas that actually make sense in real life. Today I'm walking you through 10 genius DIY garden and flower bed ideas that can completely transform your outdoor space using simple, affordable, and smart upgrades anyone can do. Some are quick weekend fixes, others are small shifts that change the entire feel of your yard. And here's the thing. Once you see number 6, you'll probably realize you've been overlooking one of the easiest design tricks the whole time. Welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you enjoy practical garden transformations, DIY outdoor upgrades, and budget-friendly ideas that actually work, make sure you're subscribed. And don't just watch this as inspiration. Pick at least one idea and commit to trying it this week. Now let's get straight into it. DIY number 1. Cinder block raised beds that instantly structure your garden. This is one of those ideas that completely changes the way your garden looks before anything even starts growing. Cinder blocks might seem plain at first, but once you stack them into a raised bed, they immediately bring structure, order, and definition to a space that might otherwise feel uneven or unfinished. The beauty is in how simple it is to put together. You're not building anything complicated or permanent looking in a harsh way. You're just arranging strong, modular pieces that naturally create clean lines and boundaries. What makes this idea stand out is how functional it becomes once you start planting. Each hollow section in the blocks can hold its own small plant, turning the structure itself into part of the garden design instead of just a border. You can mix herbs, trailing flowers, or succulents in those pockets while using the main bed for fuller, layered planting. Once everything fills in, it stops looking like blocks and starts looking like a designed garden feature that blends structure with softness in a very intentional way. DIY number 2. The layered stairstep flower bed. This idea is all about fixing one of the most common problems in garden design: flat, lifeless flower beds that don't draw the eye in. The stair-step method changes that completely by building natural height progression into your planting layout. Instead of placing everything on the same level and hoping it looks full, you intentionally arrange plants so the tallest varieties sit at the back, medium height plants occupy the middle, and low-growing flowers spill across the front edge. The result is a bed that feels deeper, richer, and far more visually expensive than it actually is. What makes this approach so powerful is how it guides the way people experience your garden. Your eyes don't just land on one flat surface anymore. They travel through layers of color, texture, and height. Ornamental grasses or tall flowering plants create the backdrop. Mid-level blooms like coneflowers or black-eyed Susans build the body. And soft trailing plants like alyssum or creeping phlox finish the edges with movement. Even a small flower bed suddenly feels designed with intention, like every plant was placed with purpose instead of randomly dropped in. DIY number 3. Clean landscape edging that instantly sharpens your yard. If there's one thing that separates a nice garden from a wow, that looks professionally done garden, it's edging. Without it, flower beds bleed into the lawn, mulch spills over, and everything starts to look a little unfinished, no matter how healthy your plants are. This idea fixes that instantly. You don't need expensive plastic strips or complicated kits either. Simple materials like river stones, bricks, or leftover pavers can create a strong, clean border that frames your flower beds like a picture frame. Once you define that edge, everything inside the bed suddenly looks more intentional. The contrast between grass, mulch, and plants becomes sharper, and your eye immediately reads the space as organized and designed. Even better, a properly set edge helps stop grass from creeping into your beds, which means less maintenance over time. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't just improve appearance, it quietly makes the entire yard easier to manage while giving it that crisp, finished look people associate with high-end landscaping. DIY number 4. The repurposed container statement piece. This is where your garden stops looking like a collection of plants and starts looking like a space with personality. Instead of buying expensive decorative pots or waiting for everything to grow into place, you introduce one bold focal point, using something repurposed. An old wheelbarrow, a galvanized tub, a wooden crate, or even a worn-out barrel can be turned into a standout planter that immediately draws attention inside or alongside your flower beds. The key isn't the object itself, it's how you use it. Once you fill it properly and plant with intention, it becomes a living feature rather than just decoration. A tall central plant gives structure, bushy flowers fill the middle, and trailing varieties spill over the edges to soften everything. That layered planting style creates depth and movement, making the whole piece feel alive instead of staged. When it's placed against mulch and surrounded by softer beds, it almost reads like garden art you would expect to see in a curated outdoor space. not something put together on a weekend with leftover materials. DIY number 5. Fresh mulch and the contrast trick that changes everything. This is one of those upgrades that feels almost too simple to matter until you actually see it in action. Old, faded mulch quietly drains the life out of a garden bed. It dulls colors, flattens contrast, and makes even healthy plants look tired. A fresh layer of dark mulch completely flips that effect. It creates a rich, clean background that makes every flower color stand out sharper, brighter, and more intentional. Suddenly, what looked average starts to look like a professionally maintained landscape. The real secret here is contrast. Bright blooms like marigolds, petunias, or zinnias don't just sit in the bed anymore. They pop against the dark surface like they've been highlighted. On top of that, mulch does all the practical work in the background. It locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and protects the soil underneath, which means your garden doesn't just look better, it performs better too. It's one of the fastest, lowest effort upgrades you can make that delivers an immediate visual transformation across the entire space. DIY number 6. The island flower bed that turns empty lawn into a focal point. This idea is for anyone who has a wide open lawn that feels a little too empty or disconnected from the rest of the yard. Instead of pushing all your planting to the edges, you bring the garden into the center and create what's known as an island flower bed. It stands on its own, with no fence or backing wall, which means it can be viewed from every angle. That alone changes the entire dynamic of your outdoor space, because now the garden has a centerpiece instead of just borders. The way you build it is simple but important. You start by mapping out a shape using something flexible like a garden hose, so you can adjust the curve until it feels natural. Once you're happy with the layout, you define the edge, prepare the soil, and plant in layers to create height and structure. Taller plants like ornamental grasses or upright blooms go in the center, medium plants form the middle ring, and shorter, colorful flowers complete the outer edge. The result is a self-contained burst of color and texture that pulls the entire yard together and makes even a large plain lawn feel designed and intentional. DIY number 7. Vertical trellis garden for instant height and drama. This is one of the fastest ways to make a flower bed feel fuller and more expensive without actually expanding the space you're working with. Instead of only thinking horizontally, you start building upward. A simple trellis placed at the back of a flower bed immediately adds structure and vertical interest, turning a flat planting area into something layered and dimensional. Even a basic wooden frame or metal panel can completely change the way the garden feels once plants start climbing through it. The real impact comes when climbing plants take over and do the work for you. Flowers like clematis, climbing roses, or fast-growing vines weave through the structure and create a living wall of color and texture. At the base, you keep lower plants like lavender or salvia, so the transition feels natural from ground to height. Over time, the trellis disappears into the greenery, and what you're left with is a vertical focal point that makes the whole bed feel taller, fuller, and far more designed than a standard flat planting ever could. DIY number 8. The tree stump planter that turns an eyesore into a feature. Most people look at an old tree stump and see a problem they need to remove. But in a garden design, that's actually already a built-in focal point waiting to be used. Instead of spending money trying to grind it down or hide it, you turn it into a planter that blends naturally into your flower bed. Once you hollow out the center and create enough space for soil, that stump becomes a natural container that already has shape, texture, and presence without you adding anything artificial. When you plant into it, the transformation is immediate. Soft, colorful flowers spilling out of rough wood creates a contrast that feels intentional and artistic, rather than accidental. Shade-loving plants like impatiens, begonias, or ferns work especially well because they soften the structure and bring it back to life visually. Over time, moss and natural aging only make it better, giving it that established, almost storybook garden feel. What used to be an unwanted leftover suddenly becomes one of the most character-rich features in the entire yard. DIY number 9. Grouped container clusters that make small spaces look designed. This idea is perfect if you don't have a large yard, but still want that full, layered garden look. Instead of scattering individual pots randomly around a patio or corner, you bring them together in intentional clusters. When pots are grouped in odd numbers and different heights, they stop looking like separate containers and start reading as one complete design feature. That simple shift is what takes it from basic to visually impressive. The real effect comes from how you style each layer. You mix pot sizes, raise some on bricks or small stands, and vary what's planted inside, so there's contrast in height, texture, and color. One pot might be filled with tall structural plants, another with soft trailing flowers, and another with dense color. When they sit together, the combination feels curated, almost like a styled outdoor display rather than leftover plants. Even a tiny corner suddenly feels intentional, balanced, and visually rich without needing a full garden bed. DIY number 10. The pollinator flower bed that brings your garden to life. This final idea isn't just about how your garden looks, it's about how it feels when it's alive with movement. A pollinator flower bed is designed specifically to attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, and once it's established, it changes the entire atmosphere of your yard. Instead of a static display of flowers, you get constant motion, color shifts, and natural activity happening all day long. It turns your garden into something that feels alive instead of just planted. The key to making it work is choosing the right plants and planting them in groups instead of singles. Flowers like lavender, coneflowers, zinnias, salvia, and black-eyed Susans are strong performers because they draw in pollinators consistently and thrive in clusters. When you plant in drifts, the garden looks fuller, more natural, and more immersive. Over time, it becomes one of the most rewarding spaces in your yard because it doesn't just sit there looking pretty. It supports life, changes with the seasons, and keeps evolving in a way that always feels fresh. And there you have it. 10 simple but powerful DIY garden and flower bed ideas that can completely change the way your yard looks without needing a massive budget or professional help. The real secret behind all of these isn't complexity, it's intention. When you start thinking in layers, edges, focal points, and structure, even the most basic space begins to feel designed. You don't need to do all 10 at once. Just pick one idea that stood out to you and start there this weekend. Once you see that first transformation, everything else starts to make sense and build on itself naturally. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed to Timeless Gardening because we're just getting started. There's a lot more coming that will help you turn even the simplest outdoor space into something you actually enjoy spending time in. Now I want to hear from you. Which idea are you trying first?